Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how do I add a gift card on a Squarespace. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to your Squarespace and go to your site. And after that, just simply go to the pages over here on the left side of the screen. And now from here, just simply go to your shop or your store. So I have a shop over here. And once you are here, you can just simply click on this plus icon over here to create another product. And after that, you should be able to see here, guys, the gift card. So just simply click on it. And now from here, just simply provide the necessary information to create your gift card product. So just simply provide the product name. I'm gonna go for best test and just simply provide a description on why this is important to hook your customer into buying your gift card product over here. And after that, just simply provide a image. So guys, make sure to provide this one in order for you to make it more legit so people can buy your product. And after that, you can add as many as you can. So I'm just gonna go for the logo just for example. And if we scroll down, we should be able to see here the inventory, and you're going to have different amount that you like. And in order for you to add a image, you can just simply click on over here and just simply select your image for that gift card and click on apply. And from there, you should be able to add it. And if we scroll down more, you should be able to organize it. You can provide selling tools. And now guys, once you have provided the necessary information, you can just simply go ahead and click on save over here on the top. Click on save. And if you want to publish it, of course, you can just simply go for publish over here. That's simply about it. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.